something new is I'm getting myself in front of the camera so they know who's behind the camera, just in case. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are at the 50th Anniversary Bild Expo in New York City. This is the third time that we've been together, but this time we have 5 cameras going, 2 with Zeiss lenses, which we'll talk about. We have a couple cameras, so we have this is a full-fledged interview at the Zeiss Booth for the 50th anniversary, so I brought out the big guns for Tony. So thank you, Tony. I'll be back there manning the cameras.
Thanks.
Thank you, Tony.
So welcome everybody. We're here at the Zeiss booth at the 50th anniversary for B&H, their Build Festival. We are excited to be here and back in NYC at a photo show. And we've brought out all of the great lenses from Zeiss for you to try, for you to see on your cameras, and to get that exacting look that you want from your lenses. And as Walter said, we've got a few of them out here on different cameras. So first and foremost, we've got for Zeiss, we've got the excellent Batis autofocus lens, a super fast autofocus lens which will keep up with everything you're trying to shoot and the subjects that you're following around for your events. Over here on this camera, we've got our Loxia lenses, which are excellent for cinematic work on an FX3 or an FX6. And then over here, the big guns on the FX6 from Sony is our Compact Prime CP3 camera lenses. Those are going to be for when you really want to step up your videography and move into a much more cinematic or filmic look. They're an excellent lens for you to have in your kit to be able to do that music video you want, or the documentary, even that full-length feature that you've been wanting to pitch to Sundance. Excellent lens for that. All of these lenses here on all of these cameras are available right now from Zeiss. All of them for Canon, Nikon, Komodo, the red camera, as well as a full array of manual and autofocus lenses for the Sony cameras. No matter what your filmic needs are, we've got the look that you're looking for. Come see us here. Come and get your lenses from B&H. We'd be happy to sit and talk with you. Thanks again. I'm Tony from Zeiss, and we're happy to be here. Went smoother than usual.